guys, welcome back to our channel, Learn to Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support. We thought that we would update some of our old videos from time to time. So today, we're going to do one of our favorites.
French Braid Rope Twist Combo. So let's get started.
Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. I went ahead and sprayed her hair down with a little bit of water just to control her flyaways and to have better grip. So you're going to take a chunk of this section right up on top, right to the crown area. Right here. Just like that. I'm going to smooth it out. I'm going to wet it down just a little bit. Okay, so you're going to split this into 3 equal sections. You're going to do a stitch of a braid, so you're going to take the right over the middle. Okay, and you're going to take that middle that you just went over and you're going to split some of that hair out, give it to her, and you're going to add a section to that piece. Okay, go ahead and add that like this. Smooth out the section. Now you're going to do the left side, so the left goes over the middle. And that middle part right here, you're going to split it. Give it to her. You're going to bring it over here. Okay, and now you're going to pick up a section right here from the left side and add it to that strand. Go ahead and smooth that out. Okay, now you're going to take the right over the middle. This is all repetitive. After doing that, you're going to split a small section right here and give it to her. So she's going to hold this together and bring it over here. And then you're just going to add and pick up a piece from the side on the right and add it to that section right here. Smooth it out. And then repeat. Left side goes over the middle. Take a small section of that. And then go ahead and give it to her. And then add and pick up. Smooth it out. And you do it again. You take the right over the middle. Take a small section from that middle. Go ahead and let her have it. And you pick up. So you're going to pick up a small section on the right and add it to that strand. Smooth it out. And you just repeat. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this part that she was holding, separate them. Okay, and I'm going to start on the right side. So I'm going to take some water and just wet it down a little bit. Okay, so you're going to grab this part right up here, the first strand right here. Grab this part right here. I'm going to separate that into 2 equal parts. And I'm just going to go ahead and twist. So you're going to take this and I'm going to go ahead and twist this way. This part right here, just this strand, the outside right strand. Okay, and I'm going to go over this strand here, just like that. I'm going to twist this here to the right. And this time I'm going to add a small half of this strand. The next strand, I'm going to just add half of that to this strand right here and twist it. Now I'm going to take this and bring it over towards the left, and I'm going to add this strand here to that strand and twist it to the right, just like this. And now I'm going to take this strand over to the left and it's just like the rope twist. Okay, so again, I'm going to take the next section of this strand, split it in half, and add it with this strand here. Twist it with it, and now take the right strand over on the left, okay, and add this strand here to that strand. Go ahead and twist it to the right, and take the right strand that's twisted and bring it over towards the left, just like that. Okay, I'll show you one more time. Grab a section of this strand here that's hanging out, split it in half, add it to this strand here, and if you have to wet it, go ahead and wet it. Now go ahead and twist it, twist, 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 and take this right strand and bring it over to the left side. I'm going to go ahead and go a little faster for time purposes only. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and tighten that up, and now I'm just going to secure that off temporarily until I'm done with the other side, and then we're going to put all that together. Okay, so this side, you want to try to make this rope twist the same as going here. So this is going this way, you want this one to go this way. So you're going to do the opposite of what you did here over on this side. So you split this, okay, and this time, instead of twisting both of them that way to the right, you're going to twist this way and then go to the right. You're going to twist these to the left, and now bring the left all the way over to the right. Go ahead and add this. Take this section that's loose, split it in half, add it to this strand here and twist to the left. Okay, twist. Now you're going to take this left strand and bring it up and over to the right side and add this other half of that strand to this strand here. Okay, and now you're going to twist to the left. Twist, twist, twist. Take this left strand here and bring it up and over to the right. Get the loose strand here, split it in half, then you add to that strand and just keep twisting to the left, and then go and take this left strand up and over to the right. I'm just going to continue by adding more to that strand. Okay, I'm going to go a little faster by time purposes only. Okay, so now you got quite an option here. You can go ahead and put them together just like this, and then make a braid down the middle of your choice, or you could go ahead and do lots of things like braid this and then go all the way around like this. The sky's the limit. So I am going to go ahead and take this part here and secure it off right here at the nape area, right there, okay? So I'm going to take this hair tie and secure it all off together. I'm going to hide this hair tie with her hair using a top detail. Now all I'm going to do is to see these flyaways here. I'm going to go and just use a little hairspray to tuck them in and put them into place. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below. If you like these videos, please help to support us by clicking the super thanks heart icon and donating to our channel. Any amount is appreciated, or try out the products we use through the links in the descriptions.
We love feedback, so let us know your success and following our videos and parts we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bar right next to the subscribe button. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
to watch more of us. Click on over there. Love you guys. Till next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others.
Bye.
Bye guys. Have a great week and God bless.